Venga. Sí. A ver, que te pueda... Siéntate ahí. Que te tomo la temperatura. Quítale los pindeticos.
Ay, esto va a apretar un poquito solo, ¿vale?
Mira, que una pulsera.
Mira, así. Y ahora lo dejamos así.
Vale, ahorita quítate los calcetines y a esperar aquí, ¿vale? A ver que te bajo un poco la puerta. So guys, they have admitted Elizabeth and she's here with me. Say hola.
I'm wearing it.
Show them what you are wearing. What is it? It's ropa. So she's going to be staying here for an hour before they'll come and pick her. They'll take her with this bed inside the operation room. You want her go? I don't know if you can drink water. I don't know. I need to go and hands them because she's not supposed to eat anything. The last time she ate was around 12 o'clock. So they say she should not eat anything from 1. So I don't know. And she says she wants to drink water. They just want her to relax for some hours before they come and pick her to do the necessary things. I think I'll go and hands the lady now if she can drink water. Are you okay? Are you okay? Okay. C is yes.
What is that?
This is hospital close.
Okay. What is this?
It's closed for hospital. This is their logo. Salute. Okay? Yes. So David is with my mom, and after this operation, she's going to be going on same day. So it's not like the one that she has to stay here for 2 days. After they finish, we are going home. So it's not really something like a major operation. I'm so grateful for that because the stress that I would have gone through now that my husband is not around. But anyways, let me go and ask the lady what if she can take water. Okay? See this one. Elizabeth, when we get to, what do you want mommy to cook for you?
The pollo and tatas.
Pollo and tatas. Say it loud, I'm not hearing.
I want the
What do you want?
The tatas and pollo.
Tatas y pollo.
Sí.
Okay. They've already used this one, but I don't know if this one is still working. You can write here. Okay?
Yes.
So guys, apparently she said she wants to paint, so they have somewhere they can actually paint. So maybe if one of the nurse come, I will tell them to give me an extra sheet of this. Let me go and hands for this for you, okay?
Okay.
So guys, I got a new one for her. I went to hands them and they gave me 3 extras, and they said if she wants more, I should tell them. So you have enough to paint, okay? So she can while away her time before they come and call her for the operation.
Mommy, why did this tortoise?
No lo sabe.
¿Cómo se llama?
¿Cómo se llama la princesa? La princesa. La princesa.
Open it. Okay, bien. I'm going to paint the remaining one.
No?
I'm going to paint the remaining one. Aquí no, ahí, por ahí. So guys, I'm taking out this packer.
No.
They don't need it before she will be going into the room.
Mommy!
Why? You don't want me to remove it? When we finish, I'll put it back for you.
Autumn.
That's that.
Ah.
I'm tired. I want to drink water, but for the fact that she's not allowed to drink water, if she see me drinking water now, she will want to drink. So I just have to bear it, because at this point she's already telling me she wants to eat, she wants to drink water. But because of her, I just have to like hold it. So anyway, guys, they are coming to take her in right now, and I won't be going inside with them. I will just be outside praying to God everything comes out successfully.
You said doctor?
Yes, the doctor is coming to carry you now.
Is it said
You want
doctor?
to go?
Sí.
Okay.
You said the doctor.
So guys, they are staying inside. This is the longest hour I have ever waited in my life. So I'm kind of here just like praying God everything comes out successfully. I think they've been inside for almost going to an hour. I'm not gonna wait till they do. Like, I'm just praying God, I beg, everything should come out well, because they said we'll be going home today after the operation. So I'm just praying. I called my mom. She said David has fever, that she has already given him paracetamol. So when we finish from here, I just pray so we can go home to go and meet David. So I'm still by the door of the theater. They didn't allow us to go inside, so I am waiting. Hopefully they comes out to call me. Are you okay? Okay. See? Elizabeth, we are going home now, okay? By 8 o'clock, we'll go home.
Why did you eat?
So guys, we are finally going home. Elizabeth, how are you doing?
Fine.
Okay. So thank you guys so much for watching. Today I knew that having two heads is better than one, because I wish my husband was around. I know things would have been more easier for me. Now only me one with my IC today. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.